Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today this is a holiday special that they got going on. This is a push and flip knife. And utility knife. So you got two different ones. It says folding utility knife pocket knife set for the holiday season 2025. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches, Black Friday deals like this. Alright, let's go ahead and start. So we got two pieces here. We got reversible deep pocket. It says holds up to 5 blades. Ball bearing, secure blade lock, push and flip. Made in Vietnam. This is an older one I have, maybe about 6 years ago. So I did get this at the Black Friday as well. So it's held up okay. I mean, the blade is not the greatest, but you can sharpen this, by the way. Alright, so we got the blades. These are really nice. Alright, so the storage are in there. It does have a little tab. It only comes with one though. One blade. I will put some more in here. It is a toolless blade change, so all you have to do is just lift that up and slide it in. So that's the way it goes. Nice, and it does have a string cutter or wire cutter right there, because you want to use it for that. It does have a pocket clip and blade storage. So this does have to be unlocked. Well, actually, it's on this side. Yeah, it doesn't let you do it until you unlock it. Once you unlock it, then you can access the blade storage. That's not bad. Yeah, definitely check it out. That's a good one. Alright, the knife, it's all plastic. There's no rubber on this. It does have a clip on the back. It's on the thinner side. If you want to compare it to my old one, this was much thicker. And it's like the old style. It's the same style. You have to push here, down, release it. But this one's spring activated. You guys look at it closely. This one is like this. Yeah, it's spring activated. See? This one is not. You have to do it manually. You can still work with it. I mean, it's fine. Blade is pretty sturdy in there. Same measurement as my old one. Yep, just about the same. The only difference is this one's round. This one's a little bit more square. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Yep, cuts paper, so it's pretty good. Very sharp. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys what's up with these. Definitely check them out if you guys could find them at your store. If not, then I'll see if I can find the links to these and put them on the comment section for you guys, or on the YouTube shopping area. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.